Guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, you will walk through a dynamic Power BI dashboard of diabetes nutrition and glycemic control designed to analyze the breakdown of daily calories, nutrients, mealtime glycemic trends, and even compare vegetarian and non-vegetarian plans, it giving a clear insights into a healthier choice. Here, this is a quick overview of dashboard. On the right side of the dashboard, you will find a daily calories intake of breakfast, lunch, snacks and dinner. Each card shows the average calories consumed during that meal. This chart shows the average glycemic index level for each meal. It tracks how glycemic index shifts from breakfast to dinner. Average daily nutrient intake chart shows the total average daily calories per day and average daily intake of carbs, protein, fat and fiber. It helps us to see the contribution of daily intake and quick overview of balance. This matrix shows the average glycemic index of meal across the different groups. It highlights how each group responds to breakfast, lunch, snacks and dinner, making it easy to spot meal with low, medium or high glycemic index. Using the slicer to switch between the vegetarian and non-vegetarian meal plans, these visuals will update instantly to compare the nutrition and glycemic impact. Now let's jump into step-by-step process. Open to Power BI desktop, get the data from CSV, open the data set, the data set using here containing the 7-day meal plan designed for different groups like diabetes non-active, diabetic active, non-diabetic non-active and non-diabetic active. For each day, meal like breakfast, lunch, dinner and snacks. It records whether the dishes are vegetarian or non-vegetarian along with calories, protein, carbs, fat, fiber and glycemic index. This is the data set we are using to create a dashboard of diabetes nutrition and glycemic control dashboard. Load the data set. Take a text box to create a title. Write a title here, diabetes nutrition and glycemic control dashboard. Let's format this title. Change the font size into 24. And make it bold. and turn off the background. Take a new measure to calculate the average breakfast calories. Average breakfast calories equals. Use the calculate function to calculate the average of calories. Select the meal column equals breakfast. Close the bracket. Change into whole number. Take a new card from visualization panel. Drag the average breakfast calories to fields. Take a new measure to calculate the average lunch calories. Average lunch calories equals. Use the calculate function to calculate the average calories of meals equals lunch. Close the bracket. Change into whole number. Take a new card from visualization panel. Drag the average lunch calories to fields. Take a new measure to calculate the average snacks calories. Average snack calories equals. Use the calculate function to calculate the average calories of meal column equals snack. Close the bracket. Change into whole number. Take a new card from visualization panel. Drag the average snacks calorie to fields. Take a new measure to calculate the average dinner calories. Average dinner calories equals, use the calculate function to calculate the average calories of meal column equals dinner. Close the bracket. Change into whole number. Take a new card from visualization panel. Drag the average dinner calories to fields. Let's format these cards. Go to the format visual. Go to the count value. Change the font. And change the font size into 20. Make it bold. Turn off the category label. Go to the general and turn off the background. Apply the format painter of all these cards. Go to the transform data. To create a meal order column, go to the add column. Go to the custom column. Create a new column as a meal order. Write a simple formula. If meal equals breakfast, then one, health. If meal equals lunch, then two, health. If meal equals snack, then is 3, else if meal equals dinner, then is 4, else none. Click OK. It's create a new column as a meal order. Close and apply. Go to the table view. To sort a meal column by meal order, select the meal column. Go to the column tools on the ribbon. Click the sort by column, sort by meal order. Go to the report view. Take a new measure to calculate the average glycemic level. Average glycemic level equals average the glycemic index. Take a line chart from visualization panel. Drag the meal column to x-axis and average glycemic level to y-axis. Let's format this line chart. Go to the format visual. Go to the x-axis. Change the font size into 8. Make it bold. Change the color into black. Turn off the title. Go to the layout. Minimum category width is 20 px. Go to the y-axis. Go to the values. Change the font into 8. Make it bold. And change the color into black. Turn off the title. Go to the grid lines. Change the color of grid lines. To gray. Line style is dotted and width 1 px. Go to the lines. Select the series as a whole. Line style is solid and change the width into 4 px. Change into linear into smooth. Interpolation type. Go to the color. Change the color. To green. Turn off the data labels. Go to the data labels. Select the series as a whole. Go to the values. Change the font size into 8. Make it bold. Change the color. To dark gray. Go to the general. Go to the title. Change the title. Average. Glycemic. Glycemia. Level. By mean. Change the font and font size. Into 12. Make it bold. Alignment. Make a center. Go to the effects. Turn off the background. Take a new measure to calculate the average carbs per day per group. Average carbs per day per group equals, use the divide function, sum of carbs divided by distinct count of day into distinct count of groups. Close the bracket. Change into whole number. Take a new measure to calculate the average protein per day per group. Average protein per group per day per group equals, use the divide function, sum of the protein column comma use the distinct count of day into distinct count of group. Close the bracket. Change into whole number. Take a new measure to calculate the average fat per day per group. Average fat per day per group equals, use the divide function, sum of the fat column divided by, use the distant count of day into distant count of groups. Close the bracket. Change into whole number. Take a new measure to calculate the average fiber per day per group. Average fiber per day per group equals, Use the divide function. Sum of the fiber column divided by calculate the distant count of day into distant count of group. Close the bracket. Change into whole number. Take a new measure to calculate the average calories per day per group. Average calories per day per group equals, use the divide function. Sum of the calories divided by, use the distant count of day into distant count of groups. Close the bracket. Close the bracket. Change into whole number. Take a donut chart from visualization panel. Drag the average carbs per day per group to values. Drag the average protein per day per group to values. Drag the average fat per day per group to values. Drag the average fiber per day per group to values. Let's format this donut chart. Go to the format visual. Turn off the legend. Go to the slicer. Change the color of carbs. To green. Change the color of protein. To yellow. Change the fat color. To red. Change the fiber color. To brown. Go to the spacing. Change the inner radius. to 85%. Turn off the detail labels. Go to the general. Change the title. Average daily nutrient intake. Change the font and font size into 12. Make it bold. Make into center alignment. Go to the effects. Turn off the background. Take a new card from visualization panel. Drag the average calories per day per group to fields. Let's format this card. Go to the format visual. Go to the count value. Change the font and font size into 25. Make it bold and turn off the category label. Go to the general. Go to the effects. Turn off the background. Take a new text box. Write here calorie. Change the font size to 12. Make it bold and change the color into dark gray and turn off the background. Take a new card from visualization panel. Drag the average carbs per day per group to fields. Take another new card from visualization panel. Drag the average protein per day per group to fields. Take a new card from visualization panel and drag the average fat per day per group to fields. Take another new card from visualization panel. Drag the average fiber per day per group to fields. Let's format these cards. Go to the format visual. Go to the count value. Change the font size and font font size into 15 and make it bold. Turn off the category label. Go to the general. Go to the effects. Turn off the background. Apply format painter of all these cards. Okay, matrix from visualization panel. Drag the group into row. Drag the mean to columns. Drag the average glycemic level to values. Let's format this matrix. Go to the format visual. Go to the layout and style presets. Change the style into minimal and change the layout into outline. Go to the grid line. Change the horizontal grid lines. Change the color into gray. Width is 1 and turn on the vertical grid lines. Change the color into gray and width is 1. Go to the border. Select all. Change the color into gray and width is 1. Change the selection column header. Select top, bottom, left and right. Change the color into gray. Width is 1. Change the selection as a row header. Select bottom, right and left. Change the color into gray and width is 1. Go to the selection, value selection. Color is gray and width is 1. Go to the values. Change the font size into 12. Text color black. Background color into light gray and alternative text color is black and alternative background color is light gray. To draw a bottom line, go to the borders, Select the value selection. Click the bottom and right. Go to the column header. Font size is 10 and make it bold. Text color is black. Background color change into light gray. Header alignment, click the right, and title alignment, click center. Go to the row header. Font size is 10 and make it bold. Text color is black and background color is, select the light gray. Make the alignment to left. Turn off the column subtotal. Turn off the row subtotal. Go to the general. Go to the effects. Turn off the background. Go to the values. Click the right click. Go to the conditional formatting. Go to the background color. To change the background color, select the minimum value color. To yellow and select the maximum color. To green. Click OK. Write a title for this matrix. Take a new text box. Write a title. Group wise meal average glycemic index. Change the font size into 12. Make it bold. Turn off the background. Take a new slicer from visualization panel. Drag the veg and non-veg to fields. Let's format this slicer, go to the format visual, go to the shape, change the shape into rounded rectangle. Change the rounded corners to 19 px. Go to the layout, change the row into 1 and column into 2. Go to the count value, select the state as a default, change the font and font size into 10, make it bold, alignment, make a center, select the state as a selected, change the color into gray, select the alignment as a center, select state as a press, font size is 10 and make it bold, color is black, select the alignment as a center, select the over, font size is 10, make it bold and color is black and alignment make center. Go to the buttons, select the state as a default, go to the fill color, change the color, to yellow, go to the borders and change the color to dark gray, width is 1 px, change the state as a selected, go to the borders, color is black, width is 1 px, fill color is black, go to the press, color gray color border and width 1 px and fill color, change the fill color into yellow, change the state as a over, border is a gray, width is 1 px and fill color is yellow. Go to the general and turn off the title and turn off the background. Take a text box, kilo calorie, change the font size into 12, make it bold and change the color into dark gray and turn off the background. Okay, text box, write a gram, change the font into 12 and change the color into dark gray. Turn off the background. Take a text box to create a title, daily calories. Turn off the background. Change font size into 12. Make it bold. Go to the report page. Go to the canvas background. Browse the background image. Select the background image. Click open. Image normal to fade. Transparency make 0. Friends, I hope you like this video. Please hit like button. Please subscribe my channel to get regular updates of my channel. Thank you.